Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how to set up your new MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you currently own or are planning to buy a new MacBook. The steps are similar for every MacBook. So as you can see, I have already set up my MacBook. If you haven't already set up your MacBook, this will be a tutorial for you on how to do it. First, press the power button to turn it on and you will see a welcome screen and select your language and country. Currently I don't have that function, so I will simply open settings. Next, connect to Wi-Fi and sign in your Apple ID. As you can see, I have already logged in into my Apple ID and I already connect to a very powerful Wi-Fi as well. This allows you to access iClouds and App Store and all the Apple services. Then you will be asked to set up your Touch ID. As you know, MacBook currently has the Touch ID sensor on the power button. Finally, customize settings like desktop, preference and docks and notifications, and you will be also able to enable Siri on your MacBook. Now MacBook feels personal and ready to use. And that's it guys, your MacBook Air M2 is now ready to go. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more new content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.